Welcome to our presentation. This is the story of how we collaborated on a product we think not only meets the needs of the class assignment, but has viability as a real-world offering. Our project planning began with the first question any project team must answer. William quickly followed that up with a suggestion that we expand upon an idea he had used in previous assignments. We negotiated a schedule for weekly team meetings using Slack and Microsoft Teams, and off we were. We made use of various applications that make up the Adobe Creative Cloud software suite to create our materials for this project. At our first meeting, we agreed on assignments creating personas to match our Assemble This service and site. Andrew James, MD, is a surgeon who specializes in sports medicine. He's the principal at James Sports Medicines in Birmingham, Alabama. His specialty is helping to repair and rehabilitate athletes who suffer devastating injuries on the field of play. Our next persona is Tori Sharp. She's an investment analyst who works at a management firm in Atlanta. She not only has the means to pay for a transplant, but can specify upgrades to whatever body part she'd like to improve upon. Our final persona is Debbie Baxter, a retired housewife who has spent her entire career caring for others and is now beginning to suffer the effects of her own body's failure. She's looking to restore herself to health and be able to spend more time with her family without being inhibited by physical disability. We created storyboards detailing use cases for each persona. And we started creating support documentation for the Assemble This site. Tyler built one prototype for the Assemble This website. This proved to be an early introduction to a persistent issue our team encountered: reconciling typefaces between different computers and different operating systems. Terry ended up building a set of sites from scratch. The Assemble This websites offer quick access to basic information about our program. Visitors can research locations across the continental United States, read staff profiles, view product offerings, and peruse a lengthy fact page with information for potential patients, vendors, or healthcare providers. There is also a sign-in area for existing patients, business partners, and registered healthcare professionals. The web and mobile sites feature the same information, custom designed for each platform. And with a new logo. William built a supporting application that allows users to specify what kind of upgrades they want. These upgrades don't come cheap, but we firmly believe at Assemble This that you get what you pay for. He made a special point of creating the supporting application using an Android interface to balance the iOS appearance of the main and mobile apps. He even designed home pages for purchasing the application in both the Google Play and the Apple App Stores. Tyler and Song documented our approach to the Assemble This design system. It is a comprehensive guide covering our design philosophy, use of our logo, colors, images, typography, and specific items from our web designs. Simplicity was a driving factor in all our design choices. This ranged from simple yet pleasing logos for our main brand to a slightly more complex but still informative logo for the supplemental application. The various shades of blue help reinforce feelings we want to instill in our customers. Since our products are made from the customer's own cells, they can be trusted to be reliable and compatible. The blue also reinforces a calm and peace of mind knowing our organs are superior and extremely unlikely to suffer the rejection rates typical of organ transplants. And we want to give our customers a feeling of power that comes from regaining lost functionality and making a return to good health. Our supplemental application specifically keys on traits of strength and stamina to reinforce this idea of renewed vitality. Even in the marketing materials we created for social media, we looked for images that promote motion, vitality, and good health. You can even see hues from our primary palette reflected in some of the photos we chose. Our promotional videos try to reflect preconceptions our potential customers might have about limb replacement and contrast negative images with positive outcomes.
When life falls apart, let Assemble This help you put it back together. Assemble This.
When your best hopes take a turn for the worse, when you need to get back on your feet, rebuild your body and your dreams at the same time using their original blueprint. Assemble This.
At Assemble This, we combine state-of-the-art 3D printers with cutting-edge medical research to rebuild bodies and lives one piece at a time. Our technology positions us as a leader in the area of bioprinting, creating body parts from scratch, using your DNA as the blueprint. From blood to bones to organs, we are innovating ways to provide a new lease on life for those in need. Assemble This.
Between the sites, supporting application, and marketing materials, we feel like we have a package that could appeal to many potential customers. This is how we assembled Assemble This.